Bobby needed him. Mr. Kyrie.
Wait.
This is my shooter. At least one of them.
They're all
Evan. Yeah, they all shoot.
Which one?
But this guy had himself a couple of games where he just lit up the court. Evan. All right, one game. Birds. With birds. Man. You know, some things I can always count on. I can always count on him to be a leader. All right, good job, man. Oh, this is my man. I'm gonna miss him. Come on, Shandy. The guy is always amazing me, man. Always amazing me. I appreciate you, Shandy. Not here, so I'm gonna hold on to this until I catch up with he and his dad. Bryson, always there, always ready for me, always there for me.
The loudest kid on the team.
Yeah, right? Come on, Mr. Kareem Best. All right, giving us a lot these last 2 seasons, man.
We're getting old and
Giving
we
us a
starting
lot.
to hurt him.
All right.
Let the league check it.
Yeah, he did. Now, this guy, my son, Daddy Chip, come on, my son. Alright.
Oh, give him a hug.
Not Lee, Will's not here. Who did we forget?
Wait, what's the other person?
Huh?
What's the other
We got Will, me, and we have Matthew. I just want to say, man, you did a whole lot to help me out this year. You know what I mean? Without what you had, without what you did this year, it's been tough work. You know, I didn't have to worry about the money aspect of it, the small details. Didn't have to worry about that. Even in coaching, you helped out a lot. Helped me keep the boys together, man. I really appreciate it. There you go. All right. All right. Got my own plaque and my own part of the team.
This man.
Yep.
Started the gentleman movement. Coach Al. Give it up for him, y'all. Everybody.
Explain to them what the gentleman movement is so the parents will understand what you mean.
Every time you see Coach Al, you gotta be like, how you doing, gentlemen?
The gentleman movement.
Could you guys get together, take a team picture? Everybody.
We got Coach Sean.
We got Coach Sean too. Oh, okay.
I didn't forget about you. Oh, this dude.
This dude.
And his son.
Okay, it's fine.
For sure I'm gonna miss this dude. Coach Sean.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Oh, we taking pictures.
And I can't forget though, I want to say, Kai, I really am glad that you came out, man. Even though we parted ways.
All right, come on, guys, get together.
Over here.
Get together.
Let me hold somebody, Joey.